In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Tumblr app not opening on your iPhone. Let's get started. First up, check your internet connection. Switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can give a first restart to your router. Next, check for app update. Launch your app store, then search for the app Tumblr. Once app appears, click on it. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated versions often crash or refuse to open. Next, force close the app. First, launch it, swipe up. Now close the app and relaunch it. This might fix your issue. Likewise, give a first restart to your device, which will clear temporary system glitches. If the problem still continues, completely delete the app. Press and hold on the Tumblr app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store, search for the app Tumblr and then install it. Likewise, check for a software update for your device. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. If any updates are available, just do it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to use Tumblr app on your device. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.